Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how you can activate gaming hub and how to you can use game mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. First of all, go to the home page and find out if there is any gaming hub. Okay, here I am finding here. Okay, if you don't have this gaming hub in your home page, just use the search option to find out. Okay, and finally click on gaming hub after searching and see here all your game is in one place. It is written that whenever you install a new game, you will be able to find it in the gaming hub. Okay, also you can customize your gameplay, bookmark useful gaming sites, manage your game time, get special vouchers and much more. Okay, if you would like to continue, click on continue and game zone only in the gaming hub. Okay, so give permissions for it. Here some recommended games are showing here. Okay, you can install. Okay, trending games are showing, new instant plays. So through this you can install a new game and you can customize that new game according to your wish. Okay, here I would like to install this jewels. Click on this. Okay, and it is powered by Galaxy Store. Just to play now. Click on play now, and it's going to the gaming, and it asking you to add to home screen. Touch and hold an icon or tap to add it to the home screen. Just if you click here, it will also be added to the home page. Okay, so in this way you can easily use specified hub for all your games. Okay, okay,
Well done.
you can create more games in the gaming hub and you can customize all of them. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.